Welcome back, students. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video we are going to learn about the part 2 of the pronouns. So without any further delay, let us start with today's video. In this video we are going to learn the last 4 types of pronouns. As we all know, in the part 1 of the same video we have learned the first 5 types of pronouns, and the rest 4 we shall be learning in this video. At first we will be having a quick recap of the definition of pronouns and the types of pronouns, and then we shall be learning demonstrative pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, emphatic pronouns and indefinite pronouns. To give a quick recap, at first we will look at the definition of pronouns. Pronouns are any of a small set of words in language that are used as substitutes for noun or noun phrases. In short, pronouns are those words which replaces the nouns. There are 9 types of pronouns. In the first video, we have learned about the personal pronouns, interrogative pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns and relative pronouns. In this video, we are going to learn about the rest 4, which are demonstrative pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, emphatic pronouns and indefinite pronouns. Let us at first learn about the demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are pronouns that point to specific objects. They take the place of a noun, noun phrase, activity or situation. They always consist of this, these, that and those. So demonstrative pronouns are used to point out to an object and replace any noun by pointing out to that object. If you see the example, you will be able to understand it more better. She brought me a bowl of soup yesterday. That was delicious. So instead of writing a bowl of soup twice, we have written that was delicious. So that has replaced the noun bowl of soup, and that is also indicating towards a noun. So that here is used as demonstrative pronouns. Next is reciprocal pronouns. A reciprocal pronoun is a pronoun which is used to indicate that 2 or more people are carrying out or have carried out an action of some type, with both receiving the benefits or consequences of that action. Or in short, we can say that when an action is reciprocated or 2 or more people are committing the same action, that is known as reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns are each other and one other. We use these 2 words to indicate the reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns are used only in a sentence if 2 or more people are doing the same kind of action. In the example, you can see they are happy with each other. So here 2 people are happy with one another, and the action of being happy is being reciprocated. Means the action of being happy is being done by 2 people simultaneously. So we have written this sentence with the help of the reciprocal pronoun called each other. The defendants blamed one another for the crime they were charged with. So there are more than 2 defendants or 2 defendants. They blamed one another. So the action of blaming is happening from both the sides. So the action of blaming is reciprocated. So we have used the pronoun, the reciprocal pronoun called one another. Next is emphatic pronoun. An emphatic pronoun refers back to another person in the sentence to emphasize it. Now we must not confuse it with the reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are also when we add self with the pronoun. But here also we are adding self with the pronoun, but here the thing is a little bit different. When we have to put emphasis on something, we are using the emphatic pronoun. The queen herself attended the party. In this sentence, we are trying to emphasize on that fact that queen herself has attended the party. In the second sentence, I myself have baked the cake. Here, I am emphasizing with that fact that I have made the cake. So, I am using I myself have baked the cake. He himself has admitted his crime. So, here also it is emphasizing on that fact that he has admitted the crime. So, reflexive and emphatic pronoun are a bit different. Next is indefinite pronoun. We use indefinite pronouns to refer to people or things without saying exactly who or what they are. We use pronouns ending in body or one for people and pronouns ending with thing or things for inanimate objects. So without saying someone's name, without saying without referring to exactly who these people are, we just use these words, we just use these indefinite pronouns to refer to something. For example, everybody enjoyed the concert. So when we are using everybody pronoun, this is indefinite pronoun. We are not definiting, we are not saying exactly, pointing towards someone exactly to some person, but we are just saying that everybody has enjoyed. Second is I opened the door but there was no one at home. Here also not exactly someone is pointed, but we are saying that no one was there. In the third sentence you can see it was very clear day, we could see everything. So here is also something which is particularly not mentioned. We are saying that we could see everything. Just like this, we can see that nothing, we can say that nothing, we can say that everything, we can say that no one, we can say that someone, we can say that everybody, we can say that nobody. All these words are indefinite pronoun because we are not saying something definitely or exactly. Here are few examples of the 4 types of pronouns. First, there is demonstrative pronouns. That looks like the car I used to drive. So here a person is pointing towards a car and saying that that car looks like the car which I used to drive. Here the word that has replaced a noun. These are nice shoes but they look uncomfortable. So here a person is pointing towards shoes and saying that they are uncomfortable. So here the word these has replaced the noun shoes. Next is reciprocal pronouns. Peter and David hate each other. So the action of hating is reciprocated by Peter and David both. So they are doing this action together. So this is reciprocal pronoun. The 10 prisoners were all blaming one another. So the 10 prisoners are doing the same action. They are blaming one another. So the action of blaming is reciprocated. Next is emphatic pronoun. She herself will do this. Here we are putting emphasis on that fact that she will do this work. I myself heard his lie. Here we are putting emphasis on that fact that I have heard his lie. Last is indefinite pronoun. I don't have anybody to talk to. Here the word anybody is indefinite because we are not pointing towards anyone definitely or exactly. I know nothing about it. Here the word nothing is indefinite because we are not saying anything specifically. We are just saying that I don't know, I know nothing. So that's all for pronoun. We shall be seeing each other in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.